But I'm more than 5 now buy.
Hello, Mr. Latterman, put down that phone and mind you push it up in my face and don't take. It's not,
No,
you could all buy a whole like
100 I'm normally pay for one.
That's, you should have, well, you should have got a place then where you pay the 100.
Alright, that's what I normally pay $100 for them.
But the 10 man is not here. Him tell we the price and we are give the price. That means they don't want nothing there.
They go away for me now.
Go with them. I want the price similar here.
What you want to sell? What you want to sell?
Them there.
I bet you nobody now buy because them food dear.
So we too dear?
Yeah, you sell
them
food.
Don't dear because you don't know the price. So they took ask before.
How much you want them slipper? How much are black and white slippers?
Black and white slippers?
Yeah.
If you have 600, if you have 550, you can get it.
Oh, so that's what the coconut them are 150 and if we have 100 we can't get.
No, I'm not the coconut man, so we are. Four. Can I get my 750 before I put in this, please?
Let's put in that a lot of my driveway.
Here, my from my coconut.
I want to go on, man. Sure.
Hello, don't take me now.
Not tape, yeah.
You win lotto, so pay me 750. I mean, no discount.
If I 750, right? I'm going to give you 1,000. How much you forget?
250. Me not done 7. 250. I might know you blow that for me. 250.
Close my door, please.
This here, 50. Tell about your parts. Rent yourself could mean well at $200. Have not a nice thing.
Boy, your head dry like.
What you say?
Dry head, Pickney.
You're full of flux like that. You cannot chat to me for big face. See your part big and broad and fit my face.
So I seen him come out of a cuss?
Drop your window and go on with your business here because you look like a big trial and cross is my man. So no, not get me from the wrong side and draw me tongue.
Yeah, boss. And she left my business for mash up the business. Just by 5 and she said, how much she sell me one for? How much she tell her selling for?
150. You know me too? Because the man look like him one.
Yo, remember me tell you.